Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you one of the best 1-minute scalping strategy I have ever tested. This modified RSI will double your account balance in 2 days. Best part of this strategy is you have to risk 1% from your account balance. And I found 60 trades in just 2 days. This strategy is totally amazing, almost the holy grail. Now let's begin. First of all, let me show the type of indicators I'm using for this strategy. This strategy is very simple, I'm only using 3 indicators. This is a 50-period exponential moving average. I use this moving average to identify the trend. This is a modified version of the well-known relative strength indicator, the Lager RSI. This indicator created by John F. Ehlers. The Lager RSI reduces noise and minimizes lag, resulting in a more responsive technical indicator with fewer whipsaws. I changed the alpha value to 0.1, but you can try different values for best results. I added this Atr Bands indicator to find stop loss. I changed the upper and lower multipliers to 2, and others are default settings. For MetaTrader users, I have the same indicators just as TradingView. You just have to copy it and load the template. I'm not going to show you how to do it because I showed in the last video. You can download this template and indicators from my Telegram channel, link in the description. Watch these sections very carefully, because I discovered some gray areas while testing this strategy. If you don't know about those, it can decrease your win rate. Before getting into the strategy rules, subscribe and turn on notification, because more incredible content is on the way. To buy, the Lager RSI had to cross above the 20 line from below. The RSI line should be below the 20 line and crossing above it. In the same time, price should close above the 50-period EMA. Stop loss below the Atr band. We are scalping, so the stop loss should be tight. Profit target is 1 to 1.5. You can use 1 to 1.2 risk-reward ratio, but the win rate will slightly decrease. I recommend using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Sell rules are opposite of the buy rules. The Lager RSI had to cross below the 80 line from above. The RSI line should be above the 20 line and crossing below it. In the same time, price should close below the 50-period EMA. Stop loss above the Atr band. Profit target is 1 to 1.5. Skip high volume candlesticks like this because they have a high probability of pullback after a few minutes. This is usually happening when high impact news released. If the Lager RSI line breaks 20 or 80 again after you enter the trade, you must exit the trade and wait few hours to skip the sideway period. The Lager RSI line must be above or below 20 or 80 lines before the crossover to enter the trade, otherwise the trade signal is not valid. If RSI line cross the opposite level, you must close the trade. Doesn't matter if it's in profit or losing, you must close it. I'm gonna test this strategy 2 days on the Bitcoin 1-minute chart. I will take every trade I can get from the chart and see how this strategy has performed in the past. You should choose high volatile markets, such as Bitcoin, gold, pound dollar, and euro dollar markets. If you are using Forex currencies, the profit target is set to 8 to 10 pips, no more than 10 pips. Also, you should use brokers who provide very low spreads. The spread must be less than 1 pip. And use a VPS to execute trade fast. If your VPS location is near your broker's server, execution time will be very low. You can find good VPS services under $15. I suggest you take 3 trades a day. Your mind will want more money but stay focused. I usually close the trading platform to avoid overtrading. And don't risk more than 1% for a signal trade because trade signals can be found recently. Don't trade when the high impact news is going to be released, because high impact news can close your trade immediately. Always check the economic calendar before entering the trade. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and turn on notification. Also join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Okay, the results are in after the 2 days test, and they're so good. So let's check it out now. This was done using a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio on Bitcoin against the US dollar, and it took 2.5 days of price data to find the 100 trade signals, which is actually very good. There were 68 winners and 32 losses. Win rate is 68%. This is really good win rate because our risk-reward ratio is 1 to 1.5. The most won in a row was 6 and the most lost in a row was 2. The gain on the account was 102%, and that's risking 1% per trade. That means you can double your account balance in 2 days while risking 1%. Don't risk more than 1% per a trade. Again, I'll remind, you should choose high volatile markets, such as Bitcoin, gold, pound dollar, and euro dollar markets. Thank you for watching Trading Nerds, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notification because more incredible content is on the way. See you, take care.